Oh, yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah, yeah.
Let me show 'em.
Hey, Lily, look at that frog.
Crazy, right? I love stuff like this.
Huh? Sure.
I want to zoom in on that frog. Guys, look at that frog, guys. Do you see that? Look at that. A nice little frog on the lily pad. Look at that, guys. Probably a bullfrog, too. Look at that. Look at that. This is why I love the suburbs. See, some people take these things for granted, but I love them. I let my kids see all of this. Let's get it. Experiencing life, guys. And all God's beautiful creatures and scenery and everything. Nice. Yeah, I would just cast like literally
Watch out,
like
Budgie, watch out.
like right here.
Oh, get him. I want to get. That's what I don't want to get.
Yeah, okay, true, the tree. So go right there.
Did we bring that knife with us? We did.
Good shot, like good job. That's a good perfect spot too.
Start leaving. Hey, Brooke. Brooke. Brooke, here. Oh, Sean, watch out for that blade right there. Hold it so close, man. Hold it. Is that a shot?
Water too shallow. Probably a big fish.
Where you guys going to walk?
Wait a minute, man. He's chilling.
Yo, Angel. Angel. How do you put this back on that spool? Be careful, there's a hook on it, okay, buddy?
Like on the thing that stopped it?
The thing that like spins it back around. Be careful, buddy. Just wait until he's done.